This video is going to show you how to set up the NXS. So the NXS comes in a box like this. First thing you'll see is the assembly instructions. If you remove the top foam layer, you'll see that all the parts are laid out nicely. When you take out the Bnc cables, the parts are laid out like this. This is the NXS base. We have a silver chloride reference electrode, platinum wire for your counter electrode, a container for the reference electrode, and you have 2 adjustment rods and a long adjustment rod. You get a glass testing dish and 3 cleaning beakers, and there's a pocket here that holds all your goodies, including the probe adapter and any jumper cables, etc. Alright, so now we're ready to build the NXS. So the first thing we have here is the NXS base, and the first thing you want to grab is the testing dish, place it in the middle, and 3 cleaning beakers around these slots. Next, grab the long rod, place it in this slot. Grab the 2 short rods and place it in these 2 slots. Then what you want to do is you want to grab the set screws that hold the rods. I've already placed them in here. Don't tighten them yet. Next, grab the NXS probe adapter. This comes with all NXS, and grab the NXS probe manipulator. Use these slots to kind of lock this into place, and use Phillips head screwdriver to tighten them. Then place this into the long rod and just lock it into place with the large dial. Alright. Next, take your 2 holders. This one is the counter electrode holder, and this is the reference electrode holder. First, let's do the reference electrode. Place the holder into one of the small slots. Lock using the set screw here. You might want to tighten this down too. Then take your reference electrode. This is the silver chloride reference electrode that comes with all NXS, and it comes with a special yellow coating at the bottom that protects the frit so it doesn't dry out. Please read the direction that's in the kit in how to remove this. Once you remove it, you'll have a reference electrode that kind of looks like this. Adjust the O-ring for the right height and then place it into the holder. Next, we're going to do the counter electrode. Place this into the other small rod. Lock that into place. I'm going to actually tighten this also. And grab the platinum wire that's provided with each NXS. This is a 250 micron diameter platinum wire, and all you need to do is just loosen this clamp. You can bend the platinum wire any way you want. I'm gonna do it this way and clamp it. Alright. Next, what you want to do is you want to take the 2 jumper cables. The jumper cables connect each of the reference and counter electrodes to this BNC connector that's over here. And so you take the female end, connect this pin, and connect into this connector there on the base. Each NXS comes with the Bnc cables. So take the Bnc cable, connect, and connect to the appropriate channels of your instrumentation. We're using an iPod here, but you can connect to any of your devices that you're using for your experiment. So the last thing is connecting the probe. The first thing we want to do is we want to take the cable. I'm going to actually move this a little closer. And what we've built into the probe manipulator is a clamp. This clamp actually helps with cable management and also decreasing any, it provides a strain relief. So connect this and use the clamp to just clamp it down. Actually, I'm going to loosen it a little bit more. Alright. And just clamp it finger tight. And take your probe, connect, tighten this, and lower your probe into the dish and lock. And that's it.